Hello everyone, in this video we will be talking about event propagation or event bubbling in JavaScript. So this is a feature in JavaScript where if you trigger a particular event listener on a child element or on an element, then that particular event gets propagated. That is, its parent component also executes that particular event listener, and similarly for that one's parent and for that parent. So for example, over here you can see there are two buttons, and these two are enclosed in this deep parent div. So now in this button we can see there is an on-click listener which just says button 1, and its parent, that is this div, contains an on-click listener which just says you click on the parent. So now if you click on this parent, it will say you clicked on the parent. But now if you click on this button 1, it will say first say button 1, that is the event listener attached to this button, and after that it will say you clicked on the parent, that is the event listener attached on this parent div. So now this can be disadvantageous in certain use cases, like suppose there was a table and this is a row in that table, and you have a event listener attached to the whole row. That is, if you click anywhere on the row, your page should be redirected to some other page. But if you click on these buttons, then a pop-up should open only, that's it, nothing else. So in that case, suppose someone clicks on this button, then the pop-up opens, and after that, when someone closes the pop-up, or if it is not like an alert, then at the same time, next time, the event listener of the parent also gets executed, and as you expect, it will redirect to the next page. But that is not expected. When clicked on the button, it should just open the pop-up. So in that case, it's a disadvantage, and we need to stop this event propagation to the parent element. So now let's see how we can do that. So for doing that, what we can do is that we have to pass the event object to the event listener handler, and in through this event object we can just stop the propagation over here. So for that, you can take the event object and you can say stop propagation, and that's it. Now just refresh the page, click on button 1, and it will say button 1, and that's it, nothing else. If you click on the parent, it will say you clicked on the parent, and that's it. But button 2 is still the old fashioned, which is say button 2, and after that you clicked on the parent. So using this simple one line description, you can just stop the propagation over here on this. This is similar for anyone. If you have another parent of this div and you want to stop the event propagation on this function and not on this function, then you should call this event propagation on this parent and not on this. But in this case, we want to stop it over here only, so we will keep it here only. So yep, that's it. That's a short little video for event propagation. Hope you understood it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.